How to fight inflation through using the online secret door. So today we're going to talk about one technique that we use for negotiating. It's called talking to a supervisor. And this sometimes comes into play when you're doing service-oriented things. So in other words, if someone's coming out to do plumbing for your house and you have a problem with it and you want to go back and negotiate the issue with the company, sometimes you can't talk to someone at a certain level. They're only going to have so much authority. And what you want to do at that point, if they give you a hard time, no, we can't do this, whatever it might be, they'll say, hey, I'd like to talk to your supervisor. Can you please put them through? There's a certain level of customer service. The first level, they're not going to be able to do much for you. They're going to have a yes or no answer. It comes from a script that they deal with or on their computer. But that next level of supervisor, there's always that little lever they can turn or move around or whatever it might be to give you what you want. I've seen this many times where I've called in, asked for the supervisor, oh, yeah, the first level didn't know about that, but here, let me see if I can fix this. Yeah, we'll take an extra $100 off or give you a free month of cable. It happens, and it happens a lot, but most people don't think about that. There's always another level you can deal with. So thanks, have a great day, and good luck with that technique. For more information on how to get your negotiating skills up to speed, go to danportik.com.